Google Search Console adds new data for recipe structured data. Hello guys. A new set of data on the performance recipe rich results is now available in Search Console. Those who are using recipe markup on their website will find the new set of data under the Search Appearance tab in the Performance Reports section. With this data, site owners can better understand the impact of recipe-rich results. These metrics can be further segmented by device, geography and queries. All of this data can be used together to optimize recipe pages for greater performance in search results. Recipe structured data can be used to communicate specific information to Google about preparation time, cooking time, nutrition information, reviewer ratings, and so on. Google uses this information to better understand the recipe and present it to users in the form of a rich result. Hope this information helps you in any way. Having any questions, query, or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.